Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. Hope everyone is fine. On that note, let's start this video. So guys, this is week 1 assignment of the course cloud computing. Guys, for the past 5 years our channel has been providing solutions for various NPTEL courses including cloud computing as well. So with that experience we are providing the solutions. So if there are any changes that come to our notice, we'll definitely update that in the comment section, and you can also suggest your own solutions if you feel there should be any change. So finally, please watch the video till the end guys. Definitely subscribe our channel and definitely like the video, then only our videos will appear in suggestions for other students also like you. And please share this with your friends and classmates, they will also be able to note the changes. So first question guys, which of the following falls under the essential characteristics of cloud computing? So option A, resource pooling; option B, measured service; option C, rapid elasticity. So mark A, B, and C. These are completely our probable solutions, guys. So before the final submission, once again check our comment section for any update available, right? Next, second question. Guys, please subscribe our channel and definitely like the video, guys. So second one, Google Slide is an example of what? So it is an example of software as a service. So mark option C, guys. Next, third one. Which of the following is our public cloud platforms? Public cloud platforms. So for third question, I have got three probable solutions. Option D, option B, and the other one is option C, guys. So mark B, C, and D as the probable solutions for third question. Now let's move on to the fourth one. VM technology allows multiple virtual machines to run on a single physical system. Is that true or false? So it is absolutely true, guys. Next, fifth one. Which one of the following is our disadvantage or disadvantages of cloud computing? So answer is option B, guys. It requires an always on internet connection. It requires a constant internet connection to be precise, right? So mark option B. Now let's move on to the sixth one. So before getting into the sixth question, I want to make a small announcement, guys. So that is regarding exam preparation MCQs. Exam preparation MCQs for the course cloud computing. With 5 years of NPTEL experience, we have prepared this. So these are the combination of past NPTEL assignment questions along with our own handmade questions. Our own handmade questions extracted completely from NPTEL lectures. All the lectures, right? So considering all the subject, all the syllabus, so we have created our own MCQs as well as the mix of past NPTEL MCQs, assignment MCQs as well. So here you are going to get a huge number of 300 MCQs, guys. 300 MCQs in a Google Drive PDF restricted link. For one person it is 300. If you take this pack along with your friends and classmates, or with along with 2 to 5 persons as a group, then you can completely get this pack for 500 rupees only. So for 5 persons, up to 5 persons can access that same PDF for combinedly 500 rupees price. So individually you can get it for just 100 rupees if you take it along with 5 persons. So for 2 to 5 persons combinedly 500 rupees, guys. If you take it as a one person, it will be 300 rupees. So this is the mail ID if you are confirmed to make the purchase. bk179417@gmail.com. Mail me to this email ID, guys. So already hundreds of students have taken our various NPTEL PDF packs and got benefited, guys. And there is another thing, that is YouTube membership. Of this is just a sample pack. You'll get 100 plus MCQs in this YouTube membership. This is only for one person and 89 rupees and for 1 month, and it is only available in video format. But here it is PDF format, and the validity will be till the exam results, not 1 month here. And search option will also be provided and easy to revise. So if you want this YouTube membership pack of 100 plus sample MCQs, you can directly go to our YouTube channel page. So S Kumar Edu is our YouTube channel page. So beside this subscribe button, there is a join button, right? So click on this join button. Then a small window will appear like this. So select the second one, videos only for members pack, that is 89 per month pack, and again click on this blue color join button. That's it. You'll become member of our channel and you can get access to all of our members only videos. Here you can see we have uploaded many videos, many subject videos, including cloud computing part 1 and part 2 is also available. So you can get all these subject videos for the same 89 rupees, guys. No extra charge needed. But my suggestion is, if you are preparing in a final exam point of view, it's better to take this 300 MCQs pack, because you are cover maximum number of topics, right? So in a Google, you'll get that in a Google Drive PDF restricted link. So for one person it is 300 rupees. For 2 to 5 persons combinedly 500 rupees, guys. Already hundreds of students have taken our various NPTEL PDF packs. So this is the mail ID, bk179417@gmail.com. So that's it, guys. Now let's get back to the solutions. So please discuss this with your friends and classmates, and one from your group mail me to this email ID, guys. Now let's get back to the solutions. So sixth question, for less data intensive applications, horizontal scale out elasticity is the ideal solution. It is, the probable solution is option A, true, guys. So mark option A, guys. Next, moving on to the seventh one. Moving on to the seventh question. The combination of service-oriented infrastructure and cloud computing realizes to what? So it realizes to option C, XaaS. Next, eighth question. What is or are the main requirement or requirements of a cloud service provider, CSP? So increase agility, option C, increase productivity. I have got these two as the probable solutions for eighth question. Option A and option C, right? Yeah. Next, ninth one. So platform as a service brings the benefits, creation of software, first one, and the next one is integration of web services and databases. It is correct. So both 1 and 2 are the probable solution option, right? Next, moving on to the final question of the assignment, that is 10th one. A dash is a distributed computer system that consists of a collection of interconnected standalone computers working together as an integrated computing resource. So for 10th and final question, the answer is option B, cluster, guys. So mark option B as the probable solution for 10th question. So friends, these are the probable solutions for week 1 assignment of the course cloud computing. So hope this video helpful for you guys. If you feel the same, please subscribe our channel, like this video, and definitely purchase this 300 MCQs, huge number of PDFs MCQs pack, guys. For one person it is 300 only. For if you take it combinedly for 2 to 5 persons, combined price is 500 rupees, so you can save a lot. So mail me to this email ID, guys, bk179417@gmail.com. If you want YouTube membership or sample pack, you can try it out by joining our channel and making payment directly to YouTube. So that's it, guys. So keep supporting us like this, and please share about us with your friends and classmates, and please share this within your WhatsApp college student groups, unofficial groups. So that's it, guys. So keep supporting us like this. So until the next video, goodbye.